In this video, I'll show you the exact save game folder for FIFA 17. Let's get started. Open the File Explorer and go to C drive and go to Users folder and open the username folder. If you doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it. Now open the Documents folder and open the FIFA 17 folder, and this is where all of our game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys how to pack up the game progress. Go back and just copy this FIFA 17 folder and paste it in another location. Do this before updating the game or switching to a new PC. You can easily restore your game progress just by copy and paste it in this location. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.